Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm here with the SCT Sampler for the month of July. And this month the theme is hooray. So hip hip hooray, today's the day. And so this month we've got collections from Close to My Heart and from American Crafts Amy Tangerine's Picnic in the Park. I'm really looking forward to seeing these papers. You're seeing this as I opened it. So of course they have the exclusive word hooray in the acrylic, and they've got a couple of little flowers with it. That's going to be so cute to use. And then we've got some, these are the puffy stickers from, or they would have been probably the thickers from the Amy Tangerine. Love those. They've got a little shimmer. These are the puffy stickers from So Much Happy, puffy stickers from Close to My Heart. Again, some puffy stickers from Amy Tangerine. I love this. I'm just loving this. And there's this cute journal card. But check out the little ice cream cart. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to see if my mom and dad had a picture of me when I used to run one of those things when I was a teenager. They're so much fun. Pretty much perfect. Well, that's not me, but I'm going to put pretty much imperfect. A sparkly little ice cream cone. A lovely sparkly little piece of watermelon that has a bite out of it. That would be me if I had watermelon right now, let me tell you. It's my favorite. I get everything flavored watermelon if I can. A little tag with a heart in it that you can punch out. Look at almost an entire sticker sheet. I mean, look at how many stickers. I'm going to have so much fun playing with this particular sampler. It's going to be so much fun, but the stickers are just like awesome. But then check out the stamps, an entire stamp set. I love this. Thank you so much, SCT. You are the best for giving us some amazing samplers. Then we've got some overlays from Picture My Life, white overlays from Close to My Heart in great sizes. There's like a 3x4, a couple 3x4s, one that says hooray, and then one that's for a 4x6 that says dream. And I love using overlays. I don't often buy them, so it's got me to thinking about them. So then these are the Amy Tangerine papers. I love the colors. They're so bright and so vivid. I'm sure the video doesn't do them justice. I mean, I love the yellow, and then the black and white is just such a pop of color, like no color really. But the rainbows are just so cute too. The only thing is that, you know, this type of a collection is so girly. I don't know. I'm going to have to see if I can find some pictures of my niece and scrapbook some of the pictures of her using this collection. And then look at this floral. Isn't this pretty? I'm definitely going to be using this to fussy cut out some florals because we didn't get a lot of die cuts with this particular collection. Like I said, they're mostly stickers, so I have a feeling we're going to use it that way. And then we're getting into the Close to My Heart collection. This is from Blue Skies paper collection. I love this word paper. And the colors are nice and bright too, but the pinks and things are a little more muted. But oh, just gorgeous. Now that paper there is enough to give me a migraine looking at it, but it would be so fun on a card as a background, you know? And I love this paper here. The green is such a pop though. It reminds me of like a really bright spring summer green. And I love the sort of dashes, the rainbows, or the drops, raindrops I should say. And I love this green paper too. There's just so much here that I'm going to love doing and using. So I really hope that you'll take advantage of looking into their sampler and pick it up for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and seeing me walk through it, then give me a thumbs up. That would really help me out, and subscribe to my channel so you can see how I'm going to be using this particular sampler in the near future. So thanks again for stopping by. Have a great week, and make sure to give me a thumbs up so that this can get out to as many people as possible. Thanks very much.